Natural hair is so expensive.
It's always humbling to remember exactly how much of my identity is tied to my hair. In spite of that, I've decided that the cost of maintaining my hair is no longer worth the benefits, i.e. the ROI is in the negatives. Nobody really ever tells you the cost of having long, thick hair, which is the amount of time that goes in, the amount of money that goes in.
A lot of us have been told that black people don't need to wash our hair as often and that dirty hair grows, and that is a lie. And I think it's the reason why a lot of people think that natural hair is high maintenance.
Nobody talks about how expensive it is to take care of your natural hair.
Natural hair is easy.
Natural hair is not high maintenance. You probably just don't like taking care of it as such. I remember a few years ago, I asked a couple of friends who were already on their journey if I were not relent in my heart to actually do natural hair, I would have probably changed my mind from what they told me. I was absolutely discouraged. Some said it was too expensive. They needed to buy several products. They had a very strong routine that they could not break from. Some talked about how that they bought store-bought products, and some they had to go to the market and buy lots of fruits and vegetables to mix to put into their hairs, and some routines the budget they gave me that period overwhelmed me. And over the years, this is what I have come to realize. Your hair becomes too much only when you start expecting a lot more from it than it naturally should give you. The moment it stops pretending to be something else, things become easier. Now, before you get defensive, hear me out. Because I've seen people sit down 5 hours for braids. I've seen people wake up early to reinstall wigs every single day or at least once in 2-3 days. They spend money like it's a subscription package. But when it comes to natural hair, it's stressful. Ask yourself this question. When last did you learn your hair? Not fight it, just learn it. There's this very loud, confident lie that is floating around. Natural hair is stressful. Natural hair is stressful compared to what? Please, let's be serious.
Wearing a wig isn't a bad thing. The body aesthetic isn't a bad thing. However, seeing yourself in one singular form, especially for young black girls, being the one taking this in can be very damaging.
Do you actually think natural hair is high maintenance? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's redefine high maintenance because words are doing a lot too much here. When you say high maintenance, it should mean excessive effort beyond normal, right? Like you're doing a little too much, more than you should averagely do. When it comes to our natural hair, what are we calling high maintenance? Washing, conditioning, detangling, the regulars? That sounds more like hygiene to me.
Black people always feel like our hair gotta be done. It's just done. This is my bed head, and I just put it in one. I put some edge control on, but I'm working on just not wearing edge control, period. But this is the stage where I'm at, okay? Slicked or unslicked, I know that in an hour or two in this Florida heat, these are gonna be gone, but that's okay because it's my natural hair state. It's never gonna slick all the way down. It's always gonna frizz back up because that's just how our hair is. Especially if you have 4C hair or just thick ass hair, it's just not going to do what you see other people's hair do.
And we've heard it over and over and over again that the price of the product does not determine its efficacy. We've heard testimonial from people say that the product is expensive does not mean it's better than the ones that are less expensive. So we need to factor in how that buying expensive products are a choice most of the time, or because you want to be bougie or sound bougie.
I need like $12,000 because there's just like a lot of stuff that I like really want to buy online.
Well, I'm not regretting, but neither am I saying that I made the right decision.
If you want more affordable natural hair care products, those are also possible, right? So if the basics are high maintenance, what then is low maintenance? If the basic like washing, conditioning, detangling are high maintenance, what then is low maintenance? And this is where people would want to stifle up. Are you sure the problem is the maintenance? Are you sure the issue is effort or is it preference? You will glue down a frontal, you will reinstall lace, you will sit down through tension and heat. But when it's time to section your hair, when it's time to detangle gently, or at least dedicate time to understanding your texture. Suddenly, this is too much. Maybe you just desire results that don't require understanding. All right, so let me know in the comment section which one takes more time: natural hair care routine or wig maintenance, or your wig routine. So if wigs were low maintenance, why do they come with a maintenance schedule? And if we have to be very honest about something, a lot of people don't hate their hairs. They just don't understand it. The problem some of you have is you don't know your porosity, you don't know the density. You don't know what works for you yet. And to take the time to learn their hair is what they do not want to do. So they would rather leave it at, I hate my hair, than say, I don't understand my hair and I don't think I can devote time to learning my hair. And because you don't know, there's frustration. There is exhaustion. And what do humans do when something confuses them? They label it too much. But confusion is not difficulty. It's just a lack of knowledge. So tell me in the comments, did your relationship with your hair change when you started understanding it? Have you even taken time to really understand your hair yet? Now let's stop pretending society did not plan this idea. We were raised to believe that sleek equals neat and that straight meant manageable. I saw a very interesting video the other day. Just take a look at this.
I fell for the social media pressure and relaxed my hair. Before we get into it, I love my natural hair phase, but it's time for a new chapter. This was very impromptu, so if you're my friend watching this, I'm sorry you couldn't talk me out of it. But the next day I was like, oh, this is cute. It's giving clean girl.
Your natural hair was not given clean. Anything that does not confirm, we call unmanageable.
Do you guys know how frustrating it is to wake up with hair like this? It's so frustrating. Bro, no, I'm tired.
We call difficult. But the truth we all need to agree to is that natural hair only becomes high maintenance when you're trying to control it. Of course, it's exhausting. You're trying to fight it. And you are the one with the emotions. Who's gonna lose? We need to reframe the narrative. Natural hair does not mean perfection. It does not mean constant styling or manipulation. You don't even have to do all of that work. But it does require consistency. It requires patience and understanding. But then again, patience doesn't trend, results do. And a lot of people just want quick fixes. Next time you catch yourself saying natural hair is a lot of work, ask more deep questions. Is it really a lot of work? Is it really high maintenance? Or you've just not really taken time to truly understand this gift that you have that is truly yours? Just maybe the problem is not the hair, the problem is the relationship that you have with the hair.
I can't tell you how much money I've spent in the last month or so in just trying to buy different types of oils: almond oil, avocado oil, amila or mala oil, the Indian oil. I don't know. Now I just found out that we have to also buy clarifying shampoo, hydration shampoo. Like,
Having natural hair is easy. Okay, I have 4C hair. I personally think it's the most beautiful texture because it's so versatile. Now, I have been natural my entire life. I've never had a relaxer because my mom messed up my sister's hair with the Jerry curl and learned her lesson. But I want to talk more about how easy it is to take care of natural hair, to take care of 4C hair. Today, I went to the gym. I washed, shampooed, and conditioned my hair with whatever they had at the gym. And then I put it into 3 sections because it's thick. And one ponytail, pulled this back, and created a ponytail. And then I put a scrunchie over it. And I feel beautiful. Okay, because of society and the way they demonize our hair, I do feel the need to dress my hair up just to let the people know that I'm not a basic bitch. Okay, so I do love a scrunchie. I do love ornaments, jewels, sparkles, and everything in my hair. But natural hair is easy. I used one product. That's all I used.
Natural hair is so expensive, but at £500, 30-inch jet black bust down wig wasn't.